Imagine making 10% of your 100K profit account and passing it within 2 days using only one currency pair and one setup. That's exactly what I did on this particular account. You can see now we are standing on $110,055 because I don't want, so long as I've hit 10%, I'm done. So that's exactly the same thing I did on this account. That's why here you can see I'm standing on $110,055 and the Profirm Challenge phase 1 is already passed. And all of this was done using one currency pair, one setup. And the good thing is I documented everything and I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same thing on this particular video coming up right now. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ndemazeah Godlove. On this channel I do videos about Forex, personal finance, and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if you've been watching me and you haven't subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. And if this is your first time watching me, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. So let's just dive on my screen and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I did and how you can do it on your side. For the past 2 days, 2.5 days, we already took the challenge. I bought the challenge. I'm going to be putting the emails or the screenshots of me buying the challenge for you guys to see. But for the past 2 days, the challenge is already passed, done, and dusted. All right. So if you can see on my screen, let's start on my VPS because I was actually trading it in my VPS. And like I said, you can see that's the balance there, $110,055. If I can just minimize a little bit, I actually passed 2 accounts in the past for this whole week. For this whole week, I've gotten 2 of my 100K accounts funded, phase 1 done, because I wasn't very actively trading, but I've managed to pass. I bought 2 accounts, 200K, passed all of them. They all standing on $110,000 because I'm just waiting for 2 more minimum trading days. So if I can just minimize this and then just open this other one again, you can see this other account. I'm standing on what again? Look here. I'm standing on what? I'm standing on $110,083. I just need 110,000. So that's why I see standing on $110,083. Let me see if there was another one. No, those were the 2 actively, the 2 accounts I was trading for this week. And if you guys must have been following me from last week, from the video I posted last week, on my 200K funded account, I'm up with almost $11,000. You can see I'm standing on $211,000, and that's a 200K funded account. All the videos on how I was able to pass this funded account is on this channel. The video on how I've done withdrawals on this same account is also on this channel. So just go and watch those videos so that you don't get left out. Okay, let's just minimize quickly and then go to, let's use Trading View, right? And I'm going to show you the same trades that got me funded in 2 days. Let's just go to Trading View, and the currency pair I was trading was Great Britain Pound USD, and I only took buy trades for those past 2 days. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, which is the time frame I was using, and then we're just going to quickly fix. That's why I'm just bringing the raw chart so that you guys see it the same way I'm seeing, right? We're just going to quickly remove this other indicator because I'm not trading the market session. Talking about the market session, if you are using the market session strategy I showed you guys, you would have seen how much you would have made just today. This would have already been 2% of your account. This would have already been 2% of your account, 4% of your account, just like that. Anyway, the strategies on my page, you can always go back and watch. Let's remove this indicator and put our moving average indicators, all right? That's our moving average indicator. The fast moving average, which is the 10 exponential moving average, and the slow moving average, which is the 23 exponential moving average. So let's just go here. Okay, so how is this? The strategy is very, very simple. I started trading here on Monday the 3rd. On Monday the 3rd, and today just Thursday, right? So I started on Monday after the cross of this candle right here. So this one was I went in here very hard, and I was going with a risk to reward of 1:3. If you guys know me, most of the time I always go for a risk to reward of 1:2. But this one I was very, very confident. Why? Because you can see this area right here, this area here, this area here, this area here. Then immediately we had this cross here, boom. Here I was very, very confident. So that's why I went in for a risk to reward of what? of 1:3. And just basic, you can see the fast moving average cross over the slow moving average from below. That's why I'm getting on buy right here. So my stop loss was just somewhere here below this candle, and I went for a risk to reward of 1:3. That was it. That was it. Boom, 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 boom. That was it. This is where I got out of the trade somewhere here. All right, that was it. And I was risking 1% of my account. That was already 3% of my account done. I came again on, this was on Tuesday, and then the market pulled back to this particular area. And since you are already in an uptrend, if the market can push back again to your slow moving average and produce what? And produce a bullish candle, what you do is you bring in your Fibonacci from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high to see if the market was able to test either the 38, 50 or 61% level. So we're going to do just that. If we can bring in our Fips from here right up to here, we can see the market was able to test our 61% level. You can see if you go here, this is actually our 61% level, and then close as a bullish candle. So we're able to enter at the close of this candle right here. Godlove University students, you guys will be able to see how this thing is very, very awesome, right? And since I was also very, very confident, what did I do? I went in for a risk to reward of 1:3. So it was still a long position, got in on a long right here, and my stop loss was just below this candle right here. I was risking 28 pips, and I was going for a risk to reward of 1:3. Boom. This is where I got out of the trade. That's 3% of my account done, and now I'm up 6%. The following day, I came back, and this candle, I was just waiting for a pullback again. This pullback happened right here, and this is what I did. If I bring in my Fib from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high, okay, most recent swing low would have been here. So let's bring this one a little bit here, and then we bring in our Fibonacci from here right up to, sorry. We brought in our most recent swing low to most recent swing high, and we see how it went. So most recent swing low was here, and our most recent swing high was here. So you can see the market pushed right down to our 50% level and closed bullish. So at the close of this bullish candle, since gold was also very, very bullish on Wednesday, I was like, damn it, I'm going to go in on this one on 2%. So I was risking 2% of my account. Remember, I'm already up with 6%. So I can afford to risk 2% on this trade. So this is where I went in with 2% by the close of this candle right here. Remember, we're already out of the trade right here. I went in at the close of this candle, and I was just going for a risk to reward of 1:2, and I was risking 2% of my account. And boom, let's go. I got in on a long right here. Stop loss was just somewhere here. You can see this is it, very, very clear. And I was going for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom, that is it. That's a risk to reward of 1:2. You can see I hit my target right there, and I was already up with 6% plus 4%. Remember, I'm risking 2% of my account to go for a risk to reward of 1:2 to go for 4%. And boom, that is it. $10,000 done. And that's why if I come here, that's the account right there. Let's go back to the VPS so that you guys can see. That's the account right there. Okay, this one is my funded account. Let me just switch here, go back to the same account so that you guys can see. That is it right there, $10,058. Can you guys see? One currency pair, one setup within 3 days or within 2.5 days, and my challenge was already passed. So let me know what is so difficult for you guys to just make money with this simple strategy. I've taught you guys for free. This was a borrowed strategy from Godlove University, and I decided to bring it to you guys to YouTube to teach you guys for free. Because like I used to always say, the fight is with poverty, not with one another. Even if we have to be making $1 million every day, we're still just going to be about 5% of the entire Forex market. So why the hate? Why the greediness? All right, this is a strategy you guys you can see. That's my Profim account. I'm standing on $110,000 within 2 days. It's already passed. I'm just waiting for 2 more, for 1 minimum trading day. Meaning tomorrow I'm going to get my phase 2 and I'll start trading on my phase 2. Next week I'm going to be funded. Now I already have 200K funded with FTMO. I already have another 100K which I requested a payout. You guys saw the small payout we did last week. I'm going to see if I can put a screen. The small payout we did on that account. And this one is also going to be very soon. I'm going to be maxed on FTMO. I'm going to be going to other pro firms. That's how you do it. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. I wasn't going to be touching on other strategies. I just wanted to concentrate on just this one alone. Go back. There's a strategy there's a live video I even made on YouTube where I came here. I purchased an account live. I traded on that account live with more than 700,000 people live. We passed the challenge live. We even went right up to getting a payout. I came here. I bought the challenge live with you guys. We passed phase 1. Past phase 2, when it was phase 2, I came here again on live. We traded on phase 2 and then got funded. I traded on that until I requested a payout on that account live with you guys. That's what you should be looking for in 2025. Not just noise. Anyone can come on the internet and just do videos and say, no, this strategy is doing this one. We're looking for people who can actually show you how to do it, not just talking the whole time. That's what we need in 2025, and that's what I'm going to be doing. My goal is to be able to take at least 10,000 profitable Forex traders this year. My goal last year was met. I made more than $10,000 or more than 10,000 profitable traders last year. And are you going to be one of those traders? If the answer is yes, then this is what you're going to do. Just go back and watch that live video. It was almost about 3 hours. You're going to understand this strategy. It's called GUMVRO. GUMVRO. It's a borrowed strategy from Godlove University. Godlove University is just an online institution where we teach people from A to Z on how to trade Forex. You'll be able to hear from me one-on-one. I'll be able to mentor you in Forex trading. So we borrowed this strategy from Godlove University, and that's what we are showing you guys today. So what are you waiting for? Go start back testing. Go watch those videos. Go watch the detailed strategy I made about this, and come back and continue back testing. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And as always, if you want to use my recommended prop firm, check the link below to get funded with Lionheart Funding Program up to $600,000. Payouts are processed within 24 hours. And talking about Godlove University, if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, also check the link below to enroll in Godlove University. Petrex Pro, which is the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot, has just gotten more than 3 different updates. So check the link below to also get Petrex Pro, which you can plug on your computer, and Petrex Pro is going to do all the work for you. Petrex Pro is going to manage your emotion, manage your risks, manage your money. So check the link below to also do that, and join my free Telegram. The link is below for you to also join my free Telegram community. Check out the videos that are going to be coming at the end of the screen, because that's the live video I did almost about 3 hours. Click here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.